Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I would like to apologize for not uploading videos frequently the last month, but most of you don't know that I have a full-time job and a family to take care of. I know YouTube can only take that much of headlight polishing videos, but I wanted to share my experience of polishing Saab's headlights specifically. Let me start to tell you that I used many headlight polishing kits in the past. Some were successful and some were not. The general idea is, if it's too good to be true, then stay away from it, like those headlight polishing wipes. Some kits have what I will be doing in this video. It's just cheaper if you have just paint polishing supplies that you used previously. As you can see, I started by using trash bags and painter's tape to protect the surrounding. I'll be using 2 stages of sanding and then 2 stages of polishing using a polisher. It will be a wet sanding using a 600 and a 2000 grit sandpaper that I previously submerged in water. And I will make sure during the sanding process to keep the headlight wet with a spray of water. Every few minutes I'll be checking the progress visually, and in a later stage by feeling the headlight with the back of my hand. I even can hear the sound that the sandpaper makes to judge my progress. You don't have to sand the whole headlight, just focus on the oxidized and discolored area. Let's move now to the 2000 grit sandpaper and do the same. By the way, sanding must be done in a horizontal line following the headlight curve. The next step is using the Rotary polisher with the 2K polishing compound, and I highly recommend using the polisher if you want maximum results. By the way, set the polisher to around 500 RPM. Higher RPMs can generate excessive heat and melt your headlights. Again, I'm polishing in stages to feel when I'm ready to move to the next step. The headlight surface feels smooth and consistent, so I'm ready to move to the final polishing stage using Meguiar's polishing compound. Now all you have to do is keep polishing until you are satisfied with the results, and I will throw a picture for the before and after to judge for yourself. Thank you boys and girls for watching, and don't forget, if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.